Welcome. This short meditation is offered to gently help prepare your body and your mind for sleep. As this meditation is designed to help welcome a restful state of relaxation, you may wish to receive this guidance in the supine posture or any other position that feels supportive of your journey to rest. Take a moment to softly close down the eyes. Gently bring your awareness to the breath. Focus here on the abdomen. The sensation of the rise and fall of the belly for 3 deep, intentional breaths. Notice the spacious expansion and in turn the effortless contraction that accompanies breathing in and out. In, out. Now, gently entrust the rhythm, depth, and volume of the breath back to the body. Release your attention. Let cognition and conception fall into sensing and sensation. Notice the body being supported. A soft mattress or comforting cushion holds the space beneath you, welcoming you to the natural darkness of deep, restful sleep. Let go of the weight of the body and the mind into the support below you, down through the back of the body, deep through the lower abdomen, deeper still through the legs and the feet. As thoughts arise, gently let them go into the night. Give yourself permission to rest. Know that sleep is necessary to restore and rebalance, to enable yourself to be of benefit in the world. If you are already drifting off to sleep, use the sound of the bell to allow yourself to fall into a state of deep, restful sleep. And if you still need space to relax before falling asleep, let the sound be an invitation to a period of restful time, welcomed by the slow pace of the night.